In my video, I'm going to show you how to use Wavy cutter and many useful tips, so watch whole video. Cutter has 3 positions. To insert plate, I need to align triangles on the body and on the plate. Press gently and push up, and we change position to Waffles cuts. The safe position, plate going up to the top, it's for cleaning and for storage. First position is for wavy cuts and also wavy stripes, which I show you later in the video. To make waffle cuts, I move plate to position number 2. Make a cut and turn cucumber on angle and continue back and forward. Waffles and wavy cuts not only elevate the presentation, it's also change the texture and flavor because of increased surface area. To make crinkle cut strips, I show you simple technique. I make cuts but not through the end, so cucumbers stay together. Cuts should be horizontal towards the plate. If you speed up, cutting process will be smooth. We can also make these strips with another technique. With thickness number 1, I make slices. Then I put them together like it was whole piece before. Then attach the slices between needles. Very important. With small pieces, when you're shredding, push the button on the guard. Also, don't lift the guard, just slide back and forward. To remove currant stains from a white mandoline, use vegetable oil. Orange beta-carotene is fat-soluble and vegetable oil is effective. Visit my website. I have much more there than on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.